He always used to close the door and then go to sleep. But one day, he left the door open. Everything started from that day. One of the ordinary nights. Everywhere is quiet. He lay down in his place to sleep, but the door to his room was left open, and the light from outside was disturbing his sleep. He got up to close the door, and then he noticed something. When he came to the door, he noticed a smell. The smell was very pleasant. In his mind, there were two choices: sleep or go toward it. He chose the second option and walked toward the direction of the smell. The smell was coming from the kitchen. It was the smell of fast food. The young man was looking at the table. He had forgotten to clean up after eating in the evening. The fast food looked somehow different in his eyes. He took a hamburger and took a bite. These foods tasted even more delicious to him. He slowly became addicted to fast food. At home, on the street, at work, and at school, he started consuming only such foods. Meanwhile, he had gained excess weight, and it had become noticeable. According to researchers, scientists have discovered that ultra-processed foods activate pathways in the brain similar to those triggered by narcotic substances. All of this happens due to dopamine released in the body. When a person eats normal, natural foods, dopamine is produced in moderate amounts, and this hormone provides effects such as calmness, fullness, pleasant feelings, and satisfaction. If the amount of dopamine increases, the above effects become stronger, and the brain really likes this. That is why whatever provides strong and long-lasting pleasant feelings to the body, the brain begins to demand it again. Addiction to drugs, alcoholic beverages, and pills happens the same way. At first, it's unnoticeable, but later, you can't live without it. In our next videos, we will talk about a disease that started 10 years ago, that people didn't know about before, and that anyone can have. It is not cancer, not AIDS, not HIV.